So, guys, I am currently in Benin City and I'm heading towards the Adesuwa Junction area to see the current flyover construction that is ongoing in Benin City. Apart from that of Rama Park, there is a second flyover that is ongoing in this area. So, I need to showcase to you guys how the work is currently ongoing so that you guys may have an update of what is happening in this area. So, guys, I think I'm already in the Adesuwa Junction area. So, guys, I am currently in the Adesuwa Junction area of Benin City, and I want to showcase to you this current flyover that they are doing in this area in Benin City, for you guys to see how this flyover have gone so far in this area. This flyover started sometime in 2025, and the work is progressing. As you can see, you see that the access road in this area has been done, and they are currently working on the other side of the access road. So, guys, just take a walk with me as I take you through this construction that is ongoing in this area. Thank you. So, guys, you take a look, you see that the construction has got into a particular height, so that the format for this flyover is different from that of Rama Park area. This work is being handled by Antland Engineering Construction Limited. They are twin brother of Cetraco Nigeria Limited. It's one of the construction firm in Edo State that handle most of all those federal road within the East-West Road area and other part of Nigeria. You may recall that the Edo State government led by Monday Okwewolo officially announced and flag off the flyover project plan for the Sapele Road stroke Adesuwa Road Junction in Benin City on November 19, 2024. The announcement was made during the groundbreaking ceremony for the Ramat Park flyover, where Governor Okwewolo revealed that his administration would also construct additional flyover at Dancing Road Junction. The Sapele Road / Adesuwa Road Junction, popularly called as Adesuwa Flyover. The actual construction activity for the Adesuwa Flyover later commenced as the government moved into the second phase of its Benin City Flyover project in 2025. And the reason for the construction of the Adesuwa Flyover, according to the Edo State government, the major reason include reducing traffic congestion. The Sapele Road / Adesuwa Road axis is one of the busiest intersections in Benin City, with heavy daily traffic from Sapele Road, Reservation Road, Adesuwa Road, GRA, and Airport Road area. The flyover is intended to ease gridlocks and improve traffic flow. Then also improving transportation and mobility. The project is part of the broader urban renewal and transportation improvement plan for Benin City. The boost economic activities. Government stated that better road infrastructure would improve business movement, commuting, and commercial activities around the city. Then number 4, modernization or modernizing Benin City infrastructure. The governor Pueblo said that the flyover are part of effort to give Benin City a more modern appearance and support tourism and development within the state. So if you take a look at this current flyover, you see that they started with the drainage system, then subsequently they enter the retaining walls, and now the access roads. So that means the the pattern they adopted on this flyover is quite different from that of Rama Park and even other flyovers that I have seen in other parts of Nigeria. Though upon inquiry from the staff, they told me that the reason why they adopted this model was to make sure that traffic is reduced to the barest minimum. Because if they have started with those that of pillars and the retaining wall without giving much attention to the access route, the nature of Adesuwa Junction will make it practically impossible for traffic flow to be easy in this area. That is why they started with this model, so that access routes will not give route or give room for them to be doing under a major construction inside the flyover itself to raise the pillars, the beam, and the big carriers, and all those things that make up a flyover construction. So with this model now, they have been able to conquer the traffic congestion in this area. So I think the access road on the right hand side have been taken care of, and the left hand side they have started. In fact, they put a stone base on the left hand side of the access road. The only challenge I saw in this area was one of these street here. The name, no, I'm not resident in Benin, so the name I've forgotten about the name because they told me about the name, but somewhere somehow I forgot about the name. They complained that this this place where we are now, there's a street opposite it. That street, that is where they are going to channel most of all the water that are coming from this area towards that street. But as we speak now, the process of doing the drainages is still ongoing. In fact, some of the workers here complain that this area is so dear to them because most of this street I'm talking about now, most of them are resident in these streets, and most of their equipment and so on and so forth are inside these streets. So, guys, I just hope that the process of putting the drainages in place as far as this flyover construction should be facilitated fast enough so that the the water or flooding will not affect this entire area. But that is by the way you see that the retaining walls have they started the retaining wall in this section of the which is the dropping down section of the flyover. They started it on this area, and at the center they've already started the drilling the pillars. Maybe in my next video when I come to Benin City, I will give you an update about those pillars in this area because I believe by then, maybe in the next 1 or 2 months from now, they must have completed the drilling of these pillars and probably install the pillars because the the rod that the mold for the pillars are already on ground. If you take a closer look, you will see that all these pillars are already put in place in this flyover area. So, guys, share your thoughts on what you are seeing on this flyover construction that is ongoing in this Adesuwa area, whether the flyover is fast or not. Remember, this flyover was started in 2025, while the other one at the Rama Park was started in 2024, 2024, and that one has gone far. So, guys, this is the flyover construction site at Adesuwa junction area of Benin City. This is where most of the pillars is going to take place, the beams and what have you. But the only thing I observe in this area is that the mode of the retaining wall is looking longer compared to the one at the Rama Park. I was expecting that maybe the retaining wall in this place will be a little bit shorter, then the place for the pillars and the beam will be a little bit longer enough so that you can accommodate for somebody that want to turn from, maybe if you are coming from the other side of the junction and he doesn't want to reach at this junction, you can just take a U-turn and head back to the the junction. But from what I'm seeing now, that means you need to go down to the Adesuwa junction proper before you can make your U-turn if you are under. So guys, thank you for taking our time with me. So guys, I have been taking a walk from the other side of this Adesuwa Flyover bridge, and I've taken our time to showcase to you about this flyover that is currently under construction in this area. From what you are seeing here now, I have shown you around this place area where there is a water log. They have mentioned it, and I have come to the conclusion that this bridge is taking a great dimension. I give a kudos to the Edo State Governor, uh, Senator Monday Okwewolo, for this marvelous initiative that is doing in Edo State, especially Benin City here. A lot of work has actually taken place in this area. From all indication, it shows that the governor is working assiduously to make sure that the Benin City, where new look, people take a look at the roads that is under construction right from the other side of Benin City, where they are doing a concrete road on this area. You see that a lot is taking place in this area. So, guys, from your own assessment and from our own assessment, you can see that the Edo State Governor is trying his best in this area of the flyover to turn this city into a new look. So, guys, share your thoughts on what you are seeing on this flyover construction that is ongoing in this area. I believe this video have reserved some value to you. If you like what you see on this my video, give my videos a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Frederick Kubiri is my name, because on Frederick Kubiri we talk about infrastructural development in Nigeria, the Edo State, Delta State, and other part of this country. So guys, share your thoughts on what you are seeing, and always remember to buy me coffee and also super chat me so that you can be giving you more of this kind of updates. Thank you. See you in my next video.